Oliver Wight's got 55 years in all of the components of inventory.
We're really sharing our experience and our knowledge and the things that we've gained both by working in industry and of course by working with our clients, with our current clients.
And because we do this all the time, because it's the only thing that we do, we've become very good at working shoulder to shoulder with our clients to help them achieve success. They're leaving the class with a set of concrete actions that they can take to improve their situation and improve the performance of their organization.
I think I'll be able to bring back a lot of insights on what we can do to create those efficiencies. I think if we can kind of stick to what the recommendation is and be able to get all of our stakeholders to actually invest and buy off in those processes, we should be able to have a lot more success with our implementation of what we're trying to achieve.
Fortunately, my business wanted to invest in me, so they sent me over here to learn as much as I can because they've had people in the American team take the course before and they saw huge benefits from it. You get to see how other industries work and what they do well and what they're struggling with. And it's nice to know that we're not alone.
Inventory is a great window to the soul of a company because you can govern the way inventory is worked with. But it's almost like a bear. You never want to forget you're dealing with a bear here.
The elevator pitch for inventory governance is inventory is a bear, don't get mauled by the bear.
Inventory governance is not just inventory. It's the root causes. It's the ability to connect the results that they're seeing in inventory and maybe the disconnected key performance indicators they look at with some real direct lines that say, if this, then that, when it comes to inventory.
If you have nothing, you're going to live in chaos when it comes to inventory. If you have a plan, you're likely to gain control but be unable to achieve your results. And so the aha moment is when people realize that to actually control inventory, you need to have a governance program.
I love being able to bring these concepts in really, really simple terms to some very complex issues. And I think Oliver Wight probably does that better than anybody. We don't try and make things artificially complex in order to get people concerned. These complex business problems we have usually have some really simple kind of key causes. And if we can get at that, then we can start to really solve the more complex issues.